Welcome to the backbone of our defense network. This facility ensures unparalleled precision in every unit produced.
Analyze the blast impact data immediately.
Sensors show green across the board. The armor held.
Implementing military engineering protocols, our classified production equipment ensures quality assurance hardening and tamper-evident sealing for global deployment.
Certification is green across all parameters, sir.
Excellent. This batch is approved for operational deployment.
From classified testing to global deployment, our military engineering protocols ensure peak operational effectiveness and battlefield-tested performance. We utilize classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure combat readiness throughout global military deployment.
Phase 2 stabilization initiated.
Confirmation received. Stress test looks good.
Simulation showing optimal results.
Initiate classified quality control sequence 9-4.
Copy that. Systems are nominal. Proceeding with integration check.
Review the schematic again. We can optimize the welding sequence.
Agreed. That ensures we meet the combat readiness timeline.
Security clearance verified on the materials. Access granted. Acknowledged. Proceed with Military Engineering Protocol Alpha 7.
From secure assembly to rigorous testing in extreme environments, we implement military engineering protocols, ensure
the vibration dampening is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Cross-reference that with the thermal load metrics. We need to ensure compliance with Protocol Charlie.
Platform integrity confirmed. Route optimization suggests immediate dispatch for global assets.
All equipment undergoes rigorous mil-spec 810G certification, ensuring peak performance in any theater of operation.
Integrating hardened electronics requires strict adherence to military engineering protocols. Our class
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness through rigorous quality assurance. Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement combat-proven methodologies, ensuring operational effectiveness for global military deployment. Defense manufacturing sequence showing advanced weapons technology testing. Strategic logistics coordination for military distribution utilizing classified production equipment. Utilizing classified production equipment and strict engineering protocols, we ensure operational effectiveness for global military deployment. Our facilities utilize classified production equipment to ensure every component meets military certification protocols for guaranteed combat readiness.
Defense-grade production equipment optimizes component fabrication, utilizing classified protocols to ensure operational effectiveness and system integrity.
Classified production equipment integrates hardened electronics, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes classified production equipment, ensuring peak tactical performance and operational effectiveness in the field.
Weapon system hardening is complete. Initiating transfer protocol.
Confirmed. AGV is en route for distribution. Logistics updated.
In our secure production environments, classified testing validates operational effectiveness. Ovens. The production
Simulation sequence complete. All structural integrity parameters are nominal.
Confirmed. The unit is cleared for immediate global deployment.
The systems integration looks nominal on Unit 7.
Agreed. Quality control protocols are being maintained.
Advanced defense manufacturing is integrated with real-time strategic logistics, ensuring rapid global deployment and operational effectiveness.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures strict tolerances. This precision equipment guarantees combat-proven reliability for global deployment.
The integrated protocols confirm battlefield readiness.
Finalizing the quality test results for immediate deployment. Certification Protocol 79er Alpha complete. Quality standards verified. Combat readiness confirmed.
Power systems engaged. Monitoring stabilization protocols.
Primary diagnostic is nominal. System integrity hardened.
Ready for deployment sequencing.
Global deployment readiness is at 98%.
The new engineering protocols are ensuring peak operational effectiveness.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing military-grade precision equipment constructing precision weapons integration, maintaining strict tolerances.
All protocols verified. The vehicle is operational.
Confirmed. Moving to deployment phase.
This sequence demonstrates secure assembly utilizing classified production equipment, ensuring combat-proven reliability for extreme environments.
Protocol 7 confirmed. Military standard testing complete. Operational effectiveness ensured for global deployment.
Status update on the tactical integration sequence.
Phase 2 diagnostics are green, sir. Ready for final deployment protocols.
Strategic defense manufacturing certifying tactical performance testing in simulated combat scenarios, implementing military engineering protocols for global deployment. From classified research and advanced materials processing to rigorous testing and global deployment, we maintain strict military engineering protocols.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing military-grade precision equipment. Precision weapons integration, maintaining strict tolerances utilizing classified production equipment.
Testing protocols are complete. The equipment meets all military-grade specifications for deployment.
Utilizing classified production equipment and strict military engineering protocols, we ensure battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness. Stress test simulation looks good.
We are meeting all military specification protocols for integration.